Hello everyone. Today I am going to start new chapter from your syllabus of Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2, and new chapter is aromatic acids. Today's lecture topic is Introduction and Methods of Preparation for Aromatic Acids. In today's lecture, we will discuss about introduction of aromatic acids, nomenclature of aromatic acids, and methods of preparation for aromatic acids. So let's start with introduction about aromatic acids. The aromatic acids are the derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons in which one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by carboxylic groups. Right? Aromatic hydrocarbons, that means aromatic ring having the chain hydrocarbon groups. Right? So from this hydrocarbon group which is attached to the aromatic ring, from that one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by carboxylic groups, right? Or directly hydrogen from the aromatic ring can be replaced with carboxylic group and form corresponding aromatic acid, right? In aromatic acids, either carboxylic acid group is directly attached with the aromatic ring, or it is a part of side chain in aromatic compound. Okay? The carboxylic group may be directly attached to the aromatic nucleus and is known as benzoic acid or its derivatives. Right? Generally, aromatic acid is termed for the compound in which carboxylic acid group is directly attached to the aromatic ring, that is known as the benzoic acid. Right? And it is the basic aromatic acid. In some cases, carboxylic group it may be part of side chain which is attached directly to the aromatic ring. They are known as the derivatives of aromatic acids. Right? And other substituted benzoic acid are also known as the aromatic acids. Right? Substituted benzoic acid, that means ring having the carboxylic acid group, that is benzoic acid, and to the carboxylic acid group either on ortho, meta or para position other substituents may be present. They are known as the derivatives of benzoic acid and all are known as the aromatic acids. Sometimes carboxylic group is present in the side chain of the aromatic nucleus, as I said that. They are also known as the derivatives of aromatic acids. These are the examples. See benzoic acid. See the structure. Benzene ring having COOH group, that is carboxylic acid group. COOH group, that is carboxylic acid group, which is directly attached to the ring carbon, that is known as benzoic acid. Other one is derivative of benzoic acid, that is orthotoluic acid. Right? When methyl group is present with carboxylic group on the benzene ring, they are known as the toluic acid. Right? When both groups are present at ortho to each other, then it is known as the orthotoluic acid. When both groups are present at para to each other, then it is known as the para-toluic acid. Another example, that is phenyl acetic acid. See, in this case, carboxylic acid group is a part of side chain. Here, this carboxylic group is not directly attached to the benzene ring like benzoic acid and toluic acid. Right? In benzoic acid and toluic acid, carboxylic acid group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Unlike this molecule, in phenyl acetic acid, carboxylic acid group is a part of side chain on benzene, which is present on benzene ring. See here, phenyl ring, phenyl acetic acid, phenyl ring having the CH2COOH group. CH2COOH group is the acetic acid, and phenyl ring is considered as a substituent which is present on acetic acid, right? So from acetic acid, one hydrogen is replaced with the phenyl ring, so it becomes CH2 in place of CH3, right? So phenyl ring having CH2COOH group, that is phenyl acetic acid. Here phenyl group considered as a substituent which is present on acetic acid molecule, right? So it is phenyl acetic acid. Next, nomenclature of aromatic acids. Now nomenclature can be given by two systems, common name system and IUPAC nomenclature. So first let's see the common system. According to this system, the aromatic acids are generally known as derivatives of benzoic acid, right? According to common name system, aromatic acids are considered as derivatives of benzoic acid. As we know that benzene ring having carboxylic acid group which is directly attached to the ring carbon is known as the benzoic acid, right? So here some examples are given. First one is ring having COOH group and one chlorine atom. Now here again, when given the name, consider one basic structure and one others are as a substituent, right? So consider first basic structure. So here, as we discussed, in common name system, benzoic acid is considered as a basic structure. In other sentences, aromatic acids are considered as derivatives of benzoic acid. That's why here benzoic acid is considered as basic structure, right? So this benzoic acid ring system is considered as a basic structure, and on this benzoic acid another molecule or atom or group present is considered as substituent. So again, substituent is written with its relative position on benzene ring to the carboxylic acid group and written as a substituent. So here if halogens are present, then it is written in form of substituent as halo. So here chlorine is present, so it can be written as chloro, right? Again consider is relative position on benzene ring to the carboxylic acid group, right? So to the relation of carboxylic acid group, this chloro group is present at para position. That's why it is written as para-chlorobenzoic acid, right? Keep in mind that basic structure is written at the end, and in front of basic structure different substituents can be written, right? So here only one substituent is present, that's why para-chlorobenzoic acid. Now, and some aromatic acids have the special name, right? And it is considered as a common name. For example, methoxybenzoic acid, right? Not methoxy but methyl benzoic acid. As I said that when carboxylic acid group and methyl groups are present on benzene ring, then it is known as the toluic acid, right? Again, then consider is relative position, either both are present at ortho to each other or para to each other, then it is given or called as orthotoluic acid or para-toluic acid, right? Here para-methyl benzoic acid is given, that's why it is para-toluic acid, right? Para-methyl benzoic acid is also common name for the acid, right? Because on first consider the benzoic acid as a basic structure, and on this benzoic acid consider methyl group as a substituent, and which is present to at para position to the carboxylic acid group. That's why para-methyl benzoic acid, and which is also known as the para-toluic acid. Likewise, orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Here again consider the benzoic acid group as a basic structure, and hydroxyl group as a substituent on the ring, right? So here OH group is present at ortho position in relation to the carboxylic acid group. That's why orthohydroxybenzoic acid, and it is the well-known aromatic acid, that is salicylic acid, right? So it is generally known as the salicylic acid. Next, IUPAC nomenclature. Here first example given is 3-phenyl propanoic acid, right? So first consider the basic structure. In this carboxylic acid group is present in the chain, right? Present in the side chain. So this long chain carbon considered as a basic structure, right? Because this chain contain the principal functional group, that is carboxylic acid group. That's why this chain is considered as a basic structure, right? This chain has the 3 carbon atom, 1, 2 and third one is of carboxylic acid group. So total 3 carbons are present, and the alkane of 3 carbon is propane, right? But here in 3 carbon system, 1 carbon is part of carboxylic acid. That's why in alkane E is replaced with oic acid, right? As we know that in alkane E is replaced with this oic acid. That's why here propane, 3 carbon system, propane is present. That's why E is replaced with oic acid and it becomes propanoic acid, right? Now in propanoic acid, phenyl ring is attached as a substituent, right? So write the position of the phenyl ring. That means on which carbon atom from 3 carbon atom of propanoic acid phenyl ring is present, right? So again give the numbering to the this chain carbon. So consider first carbon or assign the first carbon to the principal functional group. Carbon of principal functional group. So carboxylic acid carbon becomes first carbon, then second and third, right? So on third carbon phenyl ring is present. That's why 3-phenyl propanoic acid, right? Here 2-methyl benzoic acid, or you can say orthomethyl benzoic acid. Here again benzoic acid is considered as a basic structure, right? In IUPAC name system, benzoic acid is considered as a IUPAC name, or you can you can write the benzoic acid as a basic structure while you are giving the IUPAC name also, right? So here also benzoic acid is considered as a basic structure, and on the this benzoic acid ring methyl group is present, right? And this methyl group is present at the second position or ortho position, second position to the carboxylic acid, because carbon which is attached directly to the carboxylic acid group get the first number. That's why methyl group acquire the second position, right? So 2-methyl benzoic acid. Then the salt of aromatic acids are generally named by the writing the name of cation followed by the name of acid in which ending IC acid has been replaced by ATA, right? So here cation is sodium, right? This one is the salt, sodium benzoate is the salt, right? So So salt having one anion and one cation. So here cation is written first, that is sodium, and then benzoate is written, right? So how this becomes benzoate? Because the name of acid in which the ending IC acid has been replaced by ATA. So in benzoic acid, IC acid is replaced with ATA. So benzoic acid becomes benzoate, right? So it is the sodium benzoate. Next, methods of preparation for aromatic acids. These are the list of different methods of preparation. Friedel-Crafts reaction, Steinmeier reaction. Then aromatic acid can be prepared from phthalic acid by oxidation of alkyl benzene, from benzo trichloride, from sulfonic acid, from primary alcohol, and by hydrolysis of nitriles. So first one is Friedel-Crafts reaction. As we know that benzene ring or aromatic ring can easily undergo Friedel-Crafts reactions, right? And for the Friedel-Crafts reaction, aluminum chloride or other Lewis acid is required as catalyst. Here AlCl3 is used as a catalyst, that is Lewis acid, right? So see what is the reaction? Benzene, here C6H6, that is the benzene ring. You can also draw the benzene ring, right? Here only formula is written. You can draw the structure of benzene, that is benzene ring. So benzene react with carbonyl chloride, that is COCl2, that is carbonyl chloride. This benzene react with carbonyl chloride in presence of aluminum chloride and form benzoyl chloride, right? Here from COCl2, what is the structure of COCl2? C double bond O, that is directly attached to the two chlorine atoms ClCl, right? So one CCl bond is broken down, electrons of the bond moves on the chlorine, that is removed in the form of Cl minus chloride, right? And COCl, carbonyl carbon acquire the positive charge and attach with one chlorine atom, that is COCl, positively charged COCl. This acts as electrophile and attack on the benzene ring, and this COCl group is replaced with proton from the benzene ring, and it is converted into benzoyl chloride, that is C6H5COCl. One hydrogen, here 6 hydrogen atoms are present. From that, one hydrogen atom is replaced with this COCl group and remove the hydrochloric acid. Then this benzoyl chloride undergoes hydrolysis and converted into benzoic acid and again release the hydrochloric acid molecule. Okay? So it is the preparation of benzoic acid from benzene or by Friedel-Crafts reaction. Next preparation is Steinmeier's reaction. Aniline is undergoes this reaction. We have already studied into the aromatic amines, into the synthetic application of aryl diazonium salt, right? Let's see again. First of all, aniline undergoes diazotization reaction with the help of sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid in cold condition, right? Here write the 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, that indicate the cold condition, right? and primary aromatic amine group converted into diazonium chloride salt, right? Get diazotized and converted into benzene diazonium chloride. Now this benzene diazonium chloride react with cuprous cyanide, that is CuCN, and this cyanide group replace the diazonium chloride group N2Cl, right? Diazonium chloride group is replaced by the cyano group Cn and converted into cyanobenzene. Then this cyanobenzene undergoes acid hydrolysis and form benzoic acid. This reaction already seen into the synthetic application of aryl diazonium salt. So from aniline, benzoic acid can be prepared, and this reaction is also important for the chemical conversion, which can be asked into your examination, right? Then from phthalic acid. Now from phthalic acid, aromatic acid or benzoic acid can be prepared by two ways, right? It is obtained by passing vapors of phthalic acid by partial decarboxylation, right? Or it can be mixed with catalyst. See, phthalic acid react or in the form of vapor form with nickel as catalyst, nickel salt as a catalyst, and undergoes the partial decarboxylation and form the benzoic acid. Another way of producing benzoic acid from phthalic acid is that phthalic acid, vapor of phthalic acid react with calcium oxide and NaOH, that is soda lime, right? Soda lime, and undergoes partial decarboxylation and form benzoic acid. Then by oxidation of alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene, that means benzene ring having alkyl group, right? It may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, right? And get the corresponding aromatic acid. Here example of toluene is taken, right? Here toluene is oxidized in presence of alcoholic potassium potassium permanganate, right? And converted into benzoic acid with loss of water molecule. Now alkyl benzene, aromatic acid can also be prepared by oxidation from alkyl benzene by oxidation with dilute nitric acid, or by alkaline potassium permanganate, or by using potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid, or chromium trioxide and glacial acetic acid, right? These are the different oxidizing agents which can be used for this oxidation reaction: dilute nitric acid, alkaline potassium permanganate, alcoholic potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, sulfuric acid, or chromium trioxide and glacial acetic acid, right? Either of any one oxidizing agent can be used for the oxidation of this alkyl benzene and can be converted into corresponding aromatic acid. Here example of toluene is given. Toluene is oxidized in presence of oxidizing agent alcoholic potassium permanganate and converted into benzoic acid with loss of water molecule. Next is from benzoyl trichloride. Here structure of benzoyl trichloride is given. Benzene ring having carbon. This carbon is attached with 3 chlorine atom. So it is benzoyl trichloride. This structure is known as benzo, right? Then ring having carbon CH2 group, that is known as benzyl, CH group, that is known as the benza, and only carbon, no hydrogen atom present on this carbon atom, then it is known as the benzo, right? So it is benzo trichloride. This benzo trichloride react with calcium hydroxide in presence of iron as a catalyst and water molecule, and converted into benzo trihydroxide, right? Benzo trichloride converted into benzo trihydroxide with the help of calcium hydroxide. Now this benzo trihydroxide is unstable and readily converted into benzoic acid by loss of one water molecule. How this water molecule is removed? See here, from the 3 hydroxyl group, one OH group, one hydroxyl group is removed, and it takes one proton H plus from one hydroxyl group, right? So this carbon and oxygen form the pi bond between the to them, right? Carbon oxygen double bond and OH, that is carboxylic acid group, right? So it is converted into benzoic acid. So benzo trichloride can be converted into benzoic acid by using calcium hydroxide and ferrous as catalyst. First it converts into unstable benzo trihydroxide molecule, and it is readily converted into benzoic acid by loss of one water molecule. Next, from sulfonic acid, here salt of sulfonic acid is used, right? When the potassium salt of sulfonic acid, that is benzene sulfonic acid, is fused with potassium cyanide, then we get a nitrile compound, that is benzonitrile, or you can say benzyl nitrile group, and on hydrolysis which gives the benzoic acid. Right? So here example of potassium benzene sulfonate is given, right? Potassium benzene sulfonate heated with calcium potassium cyanide and converted into cyanobenzene, which on hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. Here cyano group replaces the potassium sulfonate group, SO3K group, that is replaced by cyanide group. So it is first converted into cyanobenzene and then form the benzoic acid by hydrolysis. Next, from primary alcohol. As we know that primary alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde, and then that aldehyde is oxidized to the carboxylic acid. If we directly want to form benzoic acid from primary alcohol, then strong oxidizing agent are used, right? With the help of strong oxidizing agent, we get the carboxylic acid from the primary alcohol without getting the aldehyde as intermediate, right? So one example is given here. Benzyl alcohol, benzene ring having CH2 group, that is known as the benzyl. So benzyl alcohol undergoes oxidation reaction in presence of potassium permanganate and NaOH as well as sulfuric acid. So it is converted into benzoic acid directly, right? So keep in mind that oxidation of alcohol produces the aldehyde and acid, as well as oxidation of aldehyde again produce the carboxylic acid. Backward reaction is also possible. Reduction of the benzoic acid or carboxylic acid is converted into the aldehyde and primary alcohol. Last preparation is by hydrolysis of nitriles. One example is given here. First of all, nitriles on hydroxy by dilute acid or alkalis give aromatic acid. Right? By hydrolysis of nitriles, we can get the aromatic acid in the presence of dilute acid or alkali. Here, acid is taken, dilute acid, that means aqueous solution of acid is taken. So, phenyl acetonitrile, phenyl ring, this CH2C triple bond and this group is acetonitrile group. Right? So, phenyl acetonitrile group undergoes acid hydrolysis and form corresponding acid, that is phenyl acetic acid, right, with loss of ammonium ion. See here again nothing but the hydrolysis of the cyanide or nitrile group. You know that C triple bond N is also known as nitrile group as well as cyanide group or cyano group, right? So again nothing but here hydrolysis of C triple bond N group leads to the formation of carboxylic acid group, right? So just here what happens, C triple bond N is converted into carboxylic acid group COOH, right? So phenyl acetonitrile is converted into phenyl acetic acid. So these are the different methods of preparation for aromatic acid. Thank you.